Hey everybody, it's Retroactive Martin. We're in Edmonton. There's the Goodwill. I've never been. We don't have Goodwills in Saskatoon, so this is interesting. Okay. There's Owen and my kids. Here we go. We're gonna walk in. See you later. Bye-bye. So we're inside Goodwill now, and I came across this. Look at this. Michael Jordan. But it is $20.50. So I don't know if I'll get it, but it's pretty cool. It's quite amazing. It would be great in my collection room. So yeah, we'll see. But we're in Goodwill. And there's the big store. So find out what happens. Bye-bye. So here's Owen. He found some plush.
It's a little pig that
There's
talks.
a piggy.
And then I found three of these little bugs.
Not sure what they are.
It says Louis the Lightning Bug says play it safe around electricity.
And then this
Munchies.
Munchies ice cream, which is not around, at least in Saskatoon anymore. Maybe here in Edmonton it is, but
Dad, look.
some cool stuff.
Yep.
And then Delilah found that. Don't know.
It's a pig.
Okay guys, we're at the plush now. There's all kinds of plush. These neon dinosaurs look interesting. There's this one. There was another one. I don't know where it went. Anyways, all kinds of plush. And then I found this old 1998 Robin. It's $8.50, but its red tag is 50% off. So might get this guy. And that's the end of our adventure. We're driving back home to Saskatoon. Came out to Edmonton for a little family getaway, and we came here Sunday and did a little more shopping today, as you will see in the video there. We went to a Goodwill. We don't have any Goodwills in Saskatoon, so that was interesting. Found a few things, nothing too exciting, but a few things. And found another value village. We have lots of value villages in Saskatoon, so that wasn't too exciting. But there'll probably be at least two videos. This one and another video I'll do of the thrifting hauls that we got from thrifting, and found some cool things. So all right, look at this. It's a beautiful sunny day, so we are off back home. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.